Alright, we got our weekly pack opening at the Fun Factory in Traverse City. Like I said, it's the best place. Most very close to MSRP pricing. I love this place. They hook you up. They're very nice, super fun, and we got Keishla Village. Okay, so that's my shout out to the Fun Factory in Traverse City, Michigan. Let's see what we get in these Tarkir Dragonstorm Play Boosters. Let's see. Skirmishing Rhino, Blizzard. Ooh, Feral Deathgorger. I know that's a good card. Dragonologist. It's rare. Okay, Dismal Backwater.
Relevance?
Number 3. Coordinator, Wild Ride, Dark Crocodiles, Sib Sig, Heritage, Frontline Rush.
7 minutes?
Let's see. Static Snare. Awakened the Horned Dead. I've not seen that card. Oh, Destroy. Not bad. And a Tempest Hawk. Alright, my buddy may still need more Tempest Hawks.
About $1 for foils.
Yeah, but isn't Tempest Hawk the one you can have as many Tempest Hawks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's only $1 in foil. Anything else is like 60 cents.
That's the rare. Okay. Last pack magic. Let's see what we get here. Okay.
Velociraptor is like 60.
Blasted Prowler and Tranquil Clove. Got some decent pulls. Not as good as last week, but I can live with it. I like the Keishla Village, the Feral Deathgorger, and the Dragonologist. Alright, like, subscribe. I do pack openings every day. I'll see you later with some Hobbit collector booster openings.